Open NVIDIA settings. Problem updating NVIDIA app. There was a problem updating NVIDIA app. You will need to manually update the app. Error code 0x80070002. If the software installation fails, the best first step is to reboot and try the installation again. If that doesn't help, try explicitly uninstalling the previous version, if any, rebooting and then reinstalling. If it continues to fail, try performing the following steps to reset the system state. Make sure that NVIDIA Windows services are not running. To stop the NVIDIA Windows services, run services.msc from the run window, then find and stop all services where the services name starts with NVIDIA. After all services are stopped, make sure that no instance of any NVIDIA application is running. To look for instances of NVIDIA applications, open the task manager and look for processes starting with NV or NVIDIA. Kill those processes if any. Make sure to remove the following registry keys if they exist. Run regedit and search for each key, then delete if found. Other solution to install latest version of NVIDIA app is open NVIDIA settings. Click get the latest NVIDIA app. This will open the page where you can download the latest version of NVIDIA app. Download now. Click download and install the latest version of NVIDIA app. Agree and continue. Preparing to install. Finally, latest version of NVIDIA app is installed. Subscribe.